And let's grab our strap. We can take the legs out in front of us and just kind of shake the legs a little bit, or you can just bring your feet to the floor. I'm going to turn my back. We're going to do what's called cow face pose. And this is really about stretching the upper back. So if I turn around, it'll be all okay. I might even come a little bit closer to you so you can actually see a little bit better. So I'm going to take the strap right into my, well, this would be my right hand, but it'll be your left. Your arms are going to come up, and we're going to reach the arms up. You're going to take your strap right to the middle of your back. Let's just hold onto that elbow, right? And lift up through the chest. Just pause there for a moment. Draw that arm close to your ear. And as you exhale out, you take the opposite hand behind your back, and you're just going to grab that strap, right? And you can start to, I don't really like the way I have my strap here. So you can start to draw the hand down and bring those hands together. So the cow's face here, the arm should be a little bit closer to your ear, but the elbow that is up is the cow's ear. So just take a couple more breaths. The legs can be straight out. We're just really working through the upper back. Take one more inhalation. And as you exhale, go ahead and release that. And now let's go to the other side. If you don't have a strap, what you want to do is just go ahead and just bring one hand to the middle of your back and the other hand up to the upper shoulder, and I'll show you. Now my one side is always going to be a little different. So you're going to take the strap. It's going to come up. You're going to drop it in between your shoulders. Take the opposite arm, grab that elbow, and start to lift up so that arm is next to your ear. Just pause here for a couple of breaths. Then take that arm, go ahead and grab that strap. Start to walk your hand up. And now you hold that stretch, right? Lift through the chest. Try not to round forward. Stretching your tricep, right? And lifting through the sternum. Take 2 more breaths. Good, and then slowly release those hands. Nice job.